So let us find or obtain the rank of the matrix of the given matrix. So this is which is 3 by 3 form. Okay, so let us consider A as -1, 2, 0, 3, 7, 1, and 5, 9, 3. Okay, and the determinant of this will be -1 into
Sir.
21 minus 9, yeah,
Yes, sir.
minus 2 into 3 into 3, which is 9, minus 5, and the last one is 0. So you get this as minus 20, which is not equal to 0. So therefore, A is non-singular matrix, and hence row A or the rank of the matrix A will be 3, since the determinant is not equal to 0, or A is non-singular. Okay, this is also a 3 by 3, right? So let us find the rank of this matrix. Now again, let us call this as A, -1, -2, -3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, and the determinant of this. That's fine. -1 into 24 minus 25 and plus 2, 18 minus 20 and minus 3, 15 minus 16. Okay, now if you simplify this,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so you get 0. The determinant of this is 0. Now since you got this as 0, the rank of A is less than 3. Now a minor will be there. Okay, a minor of order 2 of A, which is -1, -2, 3, and 4. Okay, now let us find the determinant of that. So that will be okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is not equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So this implies that the rank of the matrix A is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so this consider as 2, and consider this as 1, and from 1 and 2 we can say that the rank of the matrix A is equal to 2. Okay, let us find this matrix, rank of the matrix. Okay, so let us consider this -1, 2, 3, -2, 4, 6. Okay. Now, uh, now since this is of okay, so and here A, which is not equal to 0 for this, right? And this implies that uh, the rank of A is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so therefore we can say that rank of the matrix A, which is equal to 1. So let us find the rank of the matrix. So a a minor of order 3 of A is 1, 2, 8, 0, minus 1, 1, and minus 4, 3, 0. Okay, so we get this. Now let us find the determinant of this. So 1, and this is 0 and minus 3. Okay, and 0 and minus 4 and 2 plus 8, right? So after simplifying, you get this as minus 43, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so this implies that rank of the matrix which is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, also here since the order is 3 by 4, right? Order is 3 by 4, and we we also know that a rank of this is less than or equal to 3, and therefore we can say that rank of A, which is equal to 3, rank of A, which is equal to 3. Okay, let us solve this by Cramer rule. Okay, okay, so the given system of three non-homogeneous linear equation in three unknowns, which is x plus y plus z is equal to 6, and x minus y plus z is equal to 2, and 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9. Okay, now first let us find the determinant delta. So 1 1
minus
1
1,
1, yeah, minus 1
1,
1,
1,
and
2,
2
minus
minus
1,
1 3. Okay, so let us find the determinant of that. So that is 1 into, this will be minus 3 plus 1, right? And minus 1 will be 3 minus 2, right? And the last part of it, minus 1 minus 1 and plus 2, right? Okay, so which is not equal to 0. Okay, now by Cramer's rule, let us proceed this further. Okay, so by Cramer's rule, we can find the unknowns, which is x delta 1 by delta, okay, y delta 2 by delta, and z delta 3 by delta. Okay, now delta 1 will be, so this will be delta 1. Okay, let us find the determinant of this. So this will be 6 minus 3 plus 1 and minus 1, 6 and minus 9. Okay, and plus 1, yeah, minus 2 plus 9. That's it. So 1, this is 6 minus 9 and minus 6, and 3 minus 2. Okay, and this will be 9 minus 4. Okay, so you get this as minus 4. Okay, this will be delta 3. Okay, let us find that. So it is 1 minus 9 minus 2, minus of minus plus. Okay, okay, and then afterwards you get minus 1 and 9 minus 4, and this is plus, this is minus 1 plus 2. So you get as minus 6. Okay. We got the value of delta 1, which is minus 2. Okay, you got the delta 2, which is minus 4, and delta 3, which is minus 6. Let us substitute here, right? So we know what is delta also. So let us substitute and find the values x, y, and z. So x will be, so x will be, uh, 1, and y will be 2, and z will be 3, right?